Did you know you could grade and provide feedback for assignments that you've submitted via the Buncee Classroom dashboard? Hi, my name's Gabby, and today I'll show you how you can grade your assignments and provide feedback via the Buncee Classroom dashboard. So here is an assignment that I have submitted. You can see I'm just in my second grade class and I'm on the assignments tab. And this is an assignment that I had assigned my class earlier. So if I click on this little arrow right here, I'm able to see what of my students have completed this assignment, which ones are still working on it, and which ones have turned it in, and I can see which ones are graded as well. So here I just see two students have started it. One is still working on it and one has actually turned it in. So this one that has turned it in, I can click on answers, and here I'm able to see their answers. So for this particular assignment, they were not required to complete a Buncee. They were just required to answer the questions that I provided to them. So here I can see, of course, that they turned it in, and then I can see their free responses, and I can see their multiple choices as well. So I can give them a grade for each of these. So let's say if I wanted to, I can maybe I can assign point values to them, whatever I want to do. Maybe each question is 5 points. So I'm going to go through and just check my students' work. And again, these free response questions in this particular example, I see that again my question was area equals, and that then in the box they had to fill in the answer with a number. This would be great for questions as well, like if you had truly an open-ended question, a free response question, or a short response question, you definitely could add that in and grade accordingly there. But I just used these little math questions as an example, so I'm going to go ahead and just again continue to fill in my items. This one is actually a multiple choice question. So of course, I can see the question, I can see the answer that they gave, so I can see, yes, that is the correct answer. I can give them points for that. I can go ahead and look at the rest of these free response questions. And this multiple choice question, what is the definition of perimeter? I can see that they gave the correct one, so I can give them a grade for that. So I can now give them an overall grade. They did awesome. They got everything right. I can give them 100. I can also give them remarks here too. So I can say, the student did a great job. So I can say, I could even say something like great job. Why not? Certainly you could add whatever remarks you need to here. And here you can, of course, you can update the grade and you can return the submission as well. So now this has been turned back into the students. Now because I went ahead and clicked submission, I clicked return submission, they're able to take another look at it before I give them like a final grade. Of course, once they turn that in again, I'm able to give them a final grade. And then I can still grade it and then return the submission, and they can see what they got wrong, and they're able to see also any remarks. So that's pretty much it. It's as simple as that. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.